But news coming in from Delhi now of a bomb that was found in a bag at the Delhi flower market in Ghazipur. It has been confirmed to us that an improvised explosive device was found in this bag that was then flagged by authorities there, and the bomb disposal squad was then called in after this unattended bag was seen. Let's go across to Akshay for more. Akshay, give us the details of, when did this happen? When was this bag first spotted, and then the bomb squad was called in, and now it has been found that indeed there was an IED in the bag?
Well, Gargi, right now we are here at the Ghazipur flower market, and this is the place that was cordoned off by the Delhi police. In fact, most of the area is still cordoned off. Only the Delhi police personnel, the NSG bomb disposal squad, as well as the special cell of Delhi police is allowed to, in fact, go into this particular area. The machine that you are seeing in front of you is a total controlled vessel. Now, this is usually used by the bomb disposal unit for a controlled explosion if any bomb or any explosive device is found. But the explosive device that was found inside the Ghazipur Mandi was an IED, improvised explosive device, which could have been extremely dangerous had there been people around. So an 8 feet dig a hole was dug by the Delhi police, and the explosion that happened just minutes back was a controlled explosion by the Delhi police. As far as the eyewitness account is concerned, the bomb was, this bag particularly was found at around 9:30 a.m. in the morning when a man came on a scooty. He parked his scooty to buy flowers, and after he came back, after buying the flowers, he saw a bag on his scooty. He picked it up and set it aside. However, the alert flower sellers here, they called the police, and the police in fact cordoned off the area, suspecting it to be an IED. And after that, this entire area was cordoned off, and special cell along with NSG was called in. So just minutes back, a controlled explosion was carried out here by the Delhi police, and this entire area has been cordoned off. In fact, the police is right now scanning the other areas as well, trying to find that whether there is another risk of any more explosive devices being hidden here somewhere. So in fact, a very disturbing news coming in from the national capital, where a market such as Ghazipur Mandi, which is usually crowded with a lot of people early in the during the wee hours of the day, had an explosive device that was put here. So clearly the question also remains that how an improvised explosive device was brought in the national capital and was placed here. Also, the Ghazipur border is at the borders of the national capital and the state of Uttar Pradesh. There are elections in Uttar Pradesh as well. So clearly that is a very unsettling news that is coming in from the national capital, Gargi.
No, absolutely. And, the way it's being described, that a man came there and dropped this bag off, because initially when the news came, it seemed that perhaps it's just, a panic over an unattended bag, and that's not being claimed. But the fact that the squad got there and actually found an IED is very concerning.
Well, absolutely, Gargi, because this IED was placed in the wee hours of the day around 9 a.m. and that is usually when the market is packed with a lot of people. Thousands of people, in fact, come here every day. Small flower sellers come here every day to buy flowers, buy other fruits and vegetables in bulk from these kind of markets from all over Delhi and the adjoining areas as well. So it's very unsettling news that an improvised explosive device was brought here and it was placed on some man's scooter. And when he saw that particular bag, he did not identify that bag, and that's why he told the shopkeepers who were there that it's not his bag, and he just picked it up and set it aside, and that is why the police was called in, and then NSG was called in, bomb disposal squad was called in. So clearly the police had some sort of indication that the bag could in fact carry an explosive device, and that is why all the preparations were being made. So clearly the people who work here, the people who come to shop here, they got extremely lucky, because if the shopkeeper, if the people were not alert, it could have in fact resulted into a massive incident, and there may be a possibility that a lot of people would have lost their lives as well.